social media, Sabrina here, one of your gals from the jam stand. Today we're going to talk all about raspberry jalapeno. Goes on grilled cheese, more cheese. Today we're just going to do a quick little crostini. You're going to take a baguette, you're going to cut it up into tiny little pieces like this. After you cut it, just line it up nicely on a baking sheet and lightly butter each side. Once you're done, you can sprinkle a little salt on to give it a little savoriness. And we're gonna go ahead and pop this in the oven. We're going to spread some goat cheese on each one. Dollop of jam. Top it off. And that's it. Take the platter out, give it to your friends,